He proposed using quantum communication, a still-developing technology that relied on entangled particles, to attempt a return transmission. If the incoming message was exploiting principles beyond standard electromagnetic waves, then perhaps the response needed to do the same. His team at Neuralink worked alongside AI specialists to develop a way to translate human thought patterns into a format that could be encoded into a quantum transmission. The idea was simple, yet revolutionary. Rather than attempting to communicate using language or symbols, Musk's team aimed to send pure cognition, direct neural activity, stripped of cultural and linguistic barriers. If the intelligence behind Oumuamua's return operated on a level that surpassed human perception, then perhaps the best way to bridge the gap was to bypass traditional forms of communication entirely. The response was prepared carefully. Neuralink's experimental AI analyzed the brain activity of volunteers, scientists, linguists, and even artists, capturing their raw thoughts as waves of emotion, intent, and meaning. This data was then encoded into the quantum transmission. The goal was to see if the entities behind Oumuamua's return could recognize thought as a universal constant, just as humans recognized mathematics. The moment the transmission was sent, something extraordinary occurred. The signal from the mysterious objects changed. For the first time since its arrival, it exhibited a shift that could only be described as acknowledgement. Previously unpredictable, the fluctuations in the transmission suddenly began to mirror aspects of the quantum-encoded human thought data. It was responding. This was the breakthrough Musk and his team had hoped for, but it also presented an unsettling realization. If the signal had reacted to human cognition, then whatever was behind it had the capability to perceive thought itself. This was not just an intelligence. This was something capable of interacting with consciousness directly.